Guys, overall, all I gotta say is one thing, that if you are a writer, if you are a poet, if you are a businessman, if you are a person who creates monthly budgets, if you are a personal finance person, if you are a finance guy, if you are a corporate guy, there's a lot that you can do with Apple Pencil. Even if you like painting, if you like drawing, you can do your drawing and painting in a very, very creative way with Apple Pencil. So there's a lot. So there's a lot for everybody. There's a lot. What's up, guys? This is Darsh saying, and another accessory from Apple. This is the Apple Pencil. It has been around for a while, but that's the only one, that's the latest one, and it is compatible with many iPads, except I guess some of them which are the older ones. But obviously it is compatible with my iPad Air 4, and let's just do the unboxing and see what's inside from here. Looks nice, and this is what we call the next generation writing. People used to write with pen and paper before, but now then people started writing from their keyboard, but now that's what we call the next generation writing. Just look at this, guys. Designed by Apple in California as usual, and I open here. So let's see what's inside. Oh, so wow, this is the Apple Pencil, and I guess this is just the manuals and all. I usually don't even open this, but just instructions in different languages, and just maybe 1-year warranty card. But the main thing is this. Oh wow, just look at this, guys. This is the thing. This is the Apple Pencil. This is the thing. Oh, it feels good, and it feels like, well, I haven't had the first generation one, but this is the second generation. It was just like maybe as compared to the first generation, it was just like $50 more expensive. But if I just try how it goes. And guys, as you see, the Apple Pencil, it actually sticks with your iPad like this, you see, and you see it just sticks with my iPad like this. And let me try how it is. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Scribble instead note, and by script I just do continue. Try writing a few words here. Okay, I'll write my name, Jizzzy, Jizzy, and continue, and I just explore, double tap. Okay, now I just go to notes, and I'll just try. I'll try how it goes. I'll try a new note. I'll try writing something here. Oh, cool. This is cool. I can scribble around if I want, and maybe even if I want to write something, I can write here very well. Like, my name is hello, I am. One thing is very good about the Apple Pencil is that if I want the eraser, all I have to do is that I just have to double tap like this. See, like this is the eraser, and if I double tap like this, now I'm using the pencil, and double tap, and now this is the eraser, this is the pencil, double tap, this is the eraser, double tap. I know I need to work on my handwriting maybe because I haven't, but yeah,